Welcome to Chef Mariam's website recipe, where you can explore the delicious world of pulao, a beloved rice dish enjoyed across many cultures and cuisines. Pulao, also known as pilaf or pilau, is a rice dish that is typically made by cooking rice with a variety of spices, vegetables, meats, or seafood. It is a versatile dish that can be customized to fit any flavor profile or dietary preference. One of the most popular types of pulao is biryani, which is a fragrant and flavorful rice dish that originated in the Indian subcontinent. Biryani is typically made with basmati rice, meat, such as chicken or lamb, and a blend of aromatic spices such as cumin, coriander, and garam masala. Other variations of pulao include vegetable pulao, shrimp pulao, and beef pulao. On Chef Mariam's website, you will find a wide range of pulao recipes that are easy to follow and packed with flavor. Whether you are an experienced home cook or just starting out in the kitchen, our recipes are designed to help you create restaurant-quality pulao dishes right in your own home. In addition to recipes, Chef Mariam's website also features helpful tips and tricks for cooking perfect rice every time, as well as information on the different types of rice used in pulao and how to select the best ingredients for your dishes. So come and explore the delicious world of pulao at Chef Mariam's website. Whether you are looking to expand your culinary horizons or simply want to try out a new recipe for dinner tonight, we have everything you need to get started. Thank you for visiting, and happy cooking. Introduction. 1. Pulao is a rice dish that is enjoyed across many cultures and cuisines, particularly in the Middle East, Central Asia, South Asia, and Southeast Asia. 2. The dish typically consists of rice that is cooked with a variety of spices, vegetables, meats, or seafood, resulting in a flavorful and satisfying meal. 3. Pulao is a versatile dish that can be customized to fit any flavor profile or dietary preference, making it a popular choice among home cooks and chefs alike. 4. There are many different variations of pulao, with some of the most popular types including biryani, vegetable pulao, shrimp pulao, and beef pulao. 5. At its core, pulao is a comforting and nourishing meal that is perfect for any occasion, whether you are feeding a large crowd or simply enjoying a cozy dinner at home. Pulao recipes Chef Mariam. If you're a fan of hearty and flavorful rice dishes, then you'll definitely want to try out some of the delicious pulao recipes from Chef Mariam's food kitchen. Whether you're in the mood for something spicy and savory or something light and refreshing, there's a pulao recipe here that's sure to satisfy your cravings. Chicken biryani pulao. This classic pulao recipe is perfect for those who love bold, spicy flavors. To start, you'll need to cook basmati rice with a mixture of aromatic spices such as cumin, coriander, and garam masala. In a separate pan, cook chicken with onions, garlic, and ginger until browned. Then, layer the rice and chicken in a large pot, adding raisins, almonds, and other optional ingredients as desired. Cover and cook on low heat until the rice is fully cooked and the flavors have melded together. Vegetable pulao. For a lighter and more refreshing pulao dish, try out this simple vegetable pulao recipe. Start by cooking basmati rice with cumin seeds and a pinch of salt. In a separate pan, cook a variety of vegetables such as carrots, green beans, and peas with onions, garlic, and ginger. Once the vegetables are tender, mix them into the cooked rice and add in a squeeze of lemon juice and fresh cilantro for a burst of flavor. Shrimp Pulao. If you're a fan of seafood, then this shrimp pulao recipe is a must-try. Begin by cooking basmati rice with whole spices such as cardamom and cinnamon, along with a dash of turmeric for color. In a separate pan, cook shrimp with onions, garlic, and ginger until pink and cooked through. Then, mix the shrimp and any optional ingredients such as cashews or raisins into the cooked rice and allow the flavors to meld together over low heat. Beef Pulao. For a hearty and filling pulao dish, try out this flavorful beef pulao recipe. To start, cook basmati rice with a variety of aromatic spices such as cumin, coriander, and cloves. In a separate pan, cook beef with onions, garlic, and ginger until browned. Then, mix the beef into the cooked rice and allow the flavors to meld together over low heat. Add in any optional ingredients such as cashews or raisins for extra flavor and texture. No matter what type of pulao recipe you choose to make, be sure to follow Chef Mariam's detailed instructions for the best results. With these delicious and satisfying recipes, you're sure to enjoy the comforting and nourishing flavors of pulao in your own home. Happy cooking! Chef Mariam's special information. Chef Mariam is known for her expertise in creating delicious and flavorful pulao dishes. She has spent years perfecting her craft and is dedicated to bringing the authentic flavors of pulao to her customers. One of the key factors that set Chef Mariam's pulao apart is the use of high-quality, fresh ingredients. She carefully selects the best spices, vegetables, meats, and seafood to ensure that her dishes are packed with flavor and nutrition. In addition, Chef Mariam is committed to creating pulao recipes that are accessible and easy to follow for home cooks of all levels. Her recipes are designed to be simple and straightforward, with step-by-step instructions and helpful tips for getting the perfect texture and flavor every time. Chef Mariam's special touch also comes from her knowledge of traditional cooking techniques and regional variations in pulao dishes. She has studied the cultural and historical origins of pulao and incorporates this knowledge into her recipes, ensuring that each dish is authentic and true to its roots. Whether you're a seasoned home cook or a beginner in the kitchen, you can trust Chef Mariam to guide you in creating the perfect pulao dish. With her expertise and passion for cooking, you're sure to enjoy a delicious and satisfying meal every time.